Hello laser geeks, welcome back. In this project, the unit is set to 600 watts, wire speed set to 65. We are welding a small 16-gauge stainless steel tube frame, which will support a brass shelf on top of it. Well, and once again, error code 028, gotta love that. Spoiler alert, it will happen once again in the same sequence 2 times within 2.50 seconds. This is the only reason do not purchase the IPG Photonics 1500 light weld, but the new units have the same symptoms. If you need for jobs like I use it for, stay away. Get any Chinese brand, you will save money and headache. I'm retracting the filler wire and shot off the wire feeder for next operation. I will float weld the edges. You have to move part close to the edge of the table. In this case, the fiber optic cable and cable harness bundle can hang freely. Also, it is a good idea to support it with the other hand when it is possible. With that, you will avoid fiber optic fatigue. The fiber optic cables will last longer. Next operation, I have to turn the wire feeder back on. I will perform a vertical uphill welding. In the corner joint, since the laser gun geometry plus cables does not allow to perfectly align the laser beam, in the suggested no less than 30 and no more than 75 degree, I cannot move downward, therefore I move upward. With that, the small frame is welded on this side. Now we need to flip it and finish the remaining 1G welds. Do this 8 more times. Total time spent about 30 minutes. No post-processing is needed. No sandpaper will spent. Tip of the day: if you have imperfection or budging welds, you can melt it down in a second using the same float welding technique you just saw and save time and sandpaper. With that, save money. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will answer to the best of my knowledge. Check out my other laser welding videos. See you at the next.